the shadow that followed. She was never alone. On a cold night, a woman walked alone on a long, empty road. Her footsteps echoed softly, and the streetlights flickered like tired eyes. She felt someone watching her, but every time she turned around, the road was empty. Her phone had no signal. The wind whispered her name, even though she was sure she had told no one where she was going. Suddenly, she heard footsteps behind her, slow, steady, and close. She began to walk faster. So did the footsteps. She stopped. The footsteps stopped too. Breathing hard, she turned around. No one was there. Relieved, she laughed nervously and continued walking. Then she saw her shadow under the streetlight. It was smiling. Her shadow raised its hand when she didn't. Frozen in fear, she realized the footsteps were never behind her. They were coming from inside her.